o'clock in the morning. Call me crazy, but I had to show you this. You can see half of these Dollar Tree lanterns are not working. In this video, I'm gonna show you some of the items that I plan on never buying again and how I help to brighten this stranger's day. Let's go.
Can't tell you how many flower pot hangers I have gone through at Dollar Tree, particularly this one because I love this little turtle, but I bought so many of these and they have just broken in like a week, or they don't last for more than a month. Something that I will never get from Dollar Tree again are these very small clay pots. You're gonna get a pot, you might as well get the bigger ones. Come in a 2-pack for $1.50. This is another product that I'm going to skip from now on, these wind spinners. The other day I did take it out of the package and it comes with a very thin string, and I put it out, and the minute I put it out it broke. In strong wind it's just gonna fly away. Guys, can we just take a moment to admire how neat and tidy this Dollar Tree is? I love coming to this Dollar Tree. It's about 30 minutes from my home, but you can see everything is nicely in order. It's put together, everything is fully stocked, and that's the reason why I love coming to this particular Dollar Tree. I know I got off a topic a little bit on what I wouldn't buy, but I just wanted you to take a look at just how nice and tidy this Dollar Tree is. How cute is that? How cute is that? That's the reason why it's so hard not to overspend here. It's a draped flower stake. Comes in yellow and lavender. Take the purple. Cute. Yeah, you'll take the. Isn't it? Anyway. I think there's 6.
6. That's cute.
Yeah, I know. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, that is something different.
I know, right? I love it.
Okay.
I saw them down there. I was like,
if you're not, you sure?
No, I'm only taking the yellow one. You're welcome. She came back for them. See, that's how addictive this store is. Now, this is something that did not work for me, this needlepoint pruner. Now, the issue is the safety guard right here. Every time you try to prune, it gets in the way. I wish it wasn't designed that way. I mean, I understand the need for a safety guard right here, but it makes it very difficult to prune. I would prefer it to be made like this, where the safety guard's in the middle, where you can toggle it back and forth instead of the side. So yeah, the needle point shears is something I will not be getting again. Guys, good news, the Dollar Tree knee pads have gotten bigger compared to what I used to buy. They seem to be, well, they're just as thin. Maybe I think they've gotten actually thinner, but they have gotten wider. And what do you think? It is $1.50. Now, I won't be getting these knee pads anymore because since I am getting a little older, I need to protect my knees, and this won't do at all. So the knee pads are something that I am skipping altogether. Yes, when I was a little bit younger, about 3 years ago, I didn't mind, but now the knee pads, and they seem to be getting thinner each season. Yes, this is wider, but I really do have to protect my knees. So I'm going to get a more sturdy knee pads that has much more cushion than this really flimsy one. So guys, I'm just gonna go over the tools that they have. They have the garden spade, and they have this fork. They have this really cool rake. You can go in and just use it like this, a small rake like this, or get the pole, but that's sold separately. And this is something I haven't seen before, vanilla incense sticks. And these are supposed to help with mosquitoes. These are $1.50. So I think I'm going to pick them up. You can see you can put them in a pot or stick them in the ground. So this Dollar Tree does have the garden knee pads, which I like. Now, these are the individual pads that you put on your knees, and I think I may actually get them. You can see this one is a sunflower, and this one is an indoor plant, and I like this one, which is pink. And this one that is lemon. Another item I will not be getting is the flower rockets. I don't know, but sometimes what's on package is not what's always inside of the box. I remember growing these, and Unfortunately, it looked like weeds, so I'm not going to take another chance. Yes, they're only $1.50, but I'm just not going to get the flowers. I didn't try the herb rockets. I don't know if you guys have had any luck with the herb rockets, but for me, the flower rockets, they just don't work for me. My last video I did on Dollar Tree, so many of you guys talked about this handheld bug zapper. So I'm definitely going to get that. I'm really excited about using it. So many of you guys said it's really cool that you guys just hit and zap the bugs and it works really great. So this is $5. So I'm crossing my fingers that you guys are giving me a good buy because it is $5. I was going to buy 2 of them, but I'm not going to spend $10. But you know, I think I'm going to get the yellow one instead of the black one, but we'll see how it goes and I'll let you know. We have a strawberry basket complete grow kit for $5 and a lavender basket complete grow kit. And it comes with a handle. Now guys, I know this was supposed to be a video on stuff that I would not get, but again, I'm coming to my favorite Dollar Tree and you can see why I'm always here because they have different products. They restock every 3 weeks and they bring in different products. So that is the reason why I love coming here. But this is something I'm not going to get, but hopefully your Dollar Tree has this strawberry basket complete grow kit and the lavender basket. And I wanted to show you this metal spinner. This is so pretty. I got a metal spinner last year from Dollar Tree and it was $5. I like this one. This is pink and there's another one there that is, you see it right there. I'm just going to show you last item are the pots. I haven't gotten any of the pots here yet. They are $5, but just take a look at how beautiful these pots are. I've always admired the pots here at this particular Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree near my house do not have these pots, but you can just see how really nice they are. Now, they don't come with drainage holes, so you would have to put the drainage holes. And below are even more pots that are $5. They're even bigger than the decorative ones, and these are the self-watering pots. You can see how large they are. Imagine putting this on your porch. Something like this would probably cost you like maybe $20 at like a Home Goods. Very sturdy, and the best part about it, it is self-watering. Now, drum roll, please, the worst Dollar Tree product that you should not waste your money on, even for $1.50, are these horrible pots. It does not work. Just the design of it does not make sense. I purchased this and immediately I brought it back. It just does not work. So if you see this in your Dollar Tree, do not get it. It does not hold enough water, and the water comes out at this end and at this end, and it spills all over the place, and the base is narrow and it falls over very easily. So this is complete trash. Guys, I just wanted to let you know that this Dollar Tree is not a big Dollar Tree. It's nestled in this shopping mall. It's really tiny. It's a nondescript Dollar Tree, but it has so much. So in the comment section, lots of you guys were saying you got a really nice Dollar Tree and it's probably big. It's not big. It's like a hole in the wall here. But if you want me to do another video on what they have in the entire store, because the garden section is just one of the small sections here, they probably have so much more to show you. So if you want a video on what they have in this Dollar Tree, just let me know in the comment section, because I can let you know right now they have plenty of stuff here. So guys, I'm sorry that if it turned out to be like a little Dollar Tree shopping haul, but again, they had some new stuff and I had to show you. This will probably be one of the few videos that I will be doing here at Dollar Tree, because I got to get my seeds starting now, because it is getting close to February and we know spring will be around the corner. So again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Don't forget to hit that sub button, that like button, and share this video with your family and friends. And the next video, I will be showing you how to start your seeds indoors, because the weather has been wacky. So it's a video you definitely want to check out. See you in the next video.